I think we got babies coming soon. The belly's dropped. See? Her hips are all bony because her belly dropped. And the udder fairy came. Yep, so I think we're going to have babies again pretty soon here. Right, monkey? And she loves me today. She's been following me around all day today. I think it's about time for her finally to have her babies. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, I think she's having her babies. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Good girl. She's got all the straw messed up now, but are you a good girl? Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. You're gonna have the babies. You're gonna have the babies. There's the baby. Yeah, there's the baby. Looks a little black. It's a good girl. That's a good girl. You got one. Let's see, we have another one coming. got it out. You're kind of upside down, baby. Yeah, you're kind of upside down. Oh, that one's not all black. I see white on its nose. Let's see, number 3 is coming. You just have the 3 still, huh? Did you just have 3? You were awful fat for having just 3 babies. Yes, you were. You was awful fat for having 3 babies. You still feel like you got babies in there. Yes, you do. Yes, you're a good girl. You did good, girl. Yeah, I bet when we come out later, you'll have more, though. I think she's happy. I think she's happy. Are you happy, girl? Huh? You happy, girl? And she actually had the babies in the birthing pen, too. Yes, she's a good girl. Well, let's see. How many do you have? Yeah, there's 5 of them. Yeah, you did good. Well, if she's done, there's 5. She's got a red tabby. She's got one with a little curly tail like Curly. Look at those babies. You did so good, Monkey. So it looks like she has 5 babies. She did good. She did good. Let's hope she leaves them in here so we'll get to spoil them rotten. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Hope you enjoyed seeing the babies born. Have a great day.